Trying to close deals faster? Your secret weapon might be something you're overlooking: smart tech.
You know, the whole idea of move-in ready has totally changed. It's not just about fresh paint. Today's buyers walk in the door with a completely different set of tech-focused expectations. They expect things like Wi-Fi, smart locks, and security systems to just work. No fuss. When all that tech works seamlessly, buyers feel great. But what if it's a total mess? That's what we call the DIY tech trap. It's when a janky setup creates way more headaches, and all that tech confusion, it creates uncertainty. And you know what uncertainty does? It stalls decisions. Come on, think about it. Buyers do not want a new tech to-do list when they move in. So what's the fix? Professionally installed tech that's actually ready to go from day one. This gives your buyers immediate peace of mind. No more of those post-closing tech headaches. Especially with security, right? They can arm the system the moment they get their new keys. But this isn't just about the closing. Great tech builds trust from the very first showing. When every light switch and lock works perfectly, it sends a really powerful unspoken message. It basically tells buyers, hey, this home has been really, really well looked after. Now this is a huge advantage for you as the agent. So let's talk about how to use it. And hey, you don't need to be a tech expert. It's just about having a simple, smart toolkit. Doing this makes your listing pop, reduces post-inspection worries, and just smooths everything out. Just imagine telling a potential buyer, yep, everything's already set up and ready for you to use. That one sentence, it just melts away hesitation and builds some serious trust. It's that powerful. Look, move-in ready tech isn't a luxury anymore. For today's buyers, it is a flat-out expectation. So for your buyers, it's all about peace of mind. And for you, it's your competitive edge. So you gotta ask yourself, is your listing really delivering that true peace of mind?